Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spy cameras that are available on the market today for their true quality, performance, and value. Whether you're looking for home security, pet monitoring, or discreet surveillance, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Divine Eagle plug-in Full HD Dome Camera. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a reliable and straightforward device without breaking the bank. With its 1080p Full HD resolution and motion detection capabilities, it's an excellent choice for indoor home security or monitoring your pets. One standout feature is that it doesn't require Wi-Fi to operate. Just insert an SD card, plug it in, and you're good to go. This makes it perfect for those who prioritize data protection and simplicity. In terms of design, the Divine Eagle is compact and lightweight, making it easy to discreetly install in various indoor settings. It even doubles as a phone charger, which adds to its versatility. However, the lack of advanced features like night vision or app integration might be a downside for some users. Despite this, the camera delivers solid performance with its motion-triggered recording and 106-degree viewing angle, ensuring you capture key moments. If you're looking for a no-frills solution that's easy to use, reliable, and affordable, the Divine Eagle Dome camera is a fantastic option. It's ideal for those who want basic indoor surveillance without the hassle of Wi-Fi setup. Just keep in mind that it doesn't come with an SD card, so you'll need to purchase one separately. At number 4, we have the Zombie Hidden Camera, a feature-packed option designed for versatility and convenience. Priced at just $29.99, this mini camera offers a flexible bracket design that allows you to mount it on a ceiling, wall, or even place it on a desktop. It's perfect for monitoring entryways, home offices, or garages. The standout feature here is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to monitor the live feed through a smartphone app. This makes it an excellent choice for real-time monitoring. The Zombie Hidden Camera boasts 4K video resolution and a 60 FPS frame rate, which is impressive for this price point. It also supports SD card storage, giving you the flexibility to increase capacity as needed. One drawback is that its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection might struggle in areas with multiple walls or interference. However, the camera's compact design and advanced motion detection technology make it a reliable performer. Plus, its night vision capability ensures you don't miss anything, even in low-light conditions. Overall, the Zombie Hidden Camera is an excellent choice for those seeking high-resolution video and remote monitoring at a low price. It's best suited for tech-savvy users who can take advantage of its app-based control and multi-scenario care features. Just remember to fully charge it before first use to avoid any battery calibration issues. At number 3, we have the Aliexpress 64GB Small Nanny Cam. This camera is a fantastic mid-range option for those who want a plug-and-play device with solid features. It comes with a built-in 64GB internal memory, so you can start using it right out of the box without needing to purchase additional storage. Its 1080p resolution ensures that you capture clear and detailed video, while the motion sensing functionality helps save storage space by only recording when activity is detected. The Aliexpress camera has a sleek and portable design, making it easy to place discreetly in your home or office. While it doesn't offer advanced features like app connectivity or night vision, it makes up for it with its ease of use and reliability. Plus, its 24-hour customer support and 1-year free replacement policy make it a risk-free investment. This camera is perfect for users who want a straightforward and dependable option for indoor security. It's great for monitoring your home, pets, or even your office space. The biggest downside is the lack of Wi-Fi connectivity, which means you won't be able to access live feeds remotely. However, if you're okay with reviewing footage manually, the Aliexpress Nanny Cam is a solid choice. Coming in at number 2 is the Mini Hidden Camera Baby Monitor by Generic. This camera offers a surprising level of performance for its price. It features 2K resolution, which provides an incredibly sharp and detailed live feed, and advanced night vision to ensure clear visibility, even in complete darkness. With a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, it's perfect for monitoring larger indoor spaces like living rooms or home offices. One of the standout features is its dual storage options. You can use either an SD card or cloud storage. The camera also supports real-time monitoring via an app, making it easy to check in on your home from anywhere. It even allows for device sharing, so multiple users can view the feed simultaneously. However, it's worth noting that due to Amazon's no audio policy, this camera does not record sound. If you're looking for a highly versatile and affordable spy camera, the generic mini hidden camera is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want advanced features like night vision and app integration without spending a fortune. The only downside is its very limited customer review count, which might make some users hesitant. But based on its specs, this camera is a strong contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mini Catcher 1080 HD hidden camera. This premium spy camera is the most expensive on our list, but it's packed with high-end features that justify the price. With a full HD 1080p live streaming capability and a 140-degree wide-angle lens, this camera provides exceptional clarity and coverage. Whether you're monitoring your home, office, or nanny, this device ensures you won't miss any detail. What sets the Mini Catcher apart is its 4-in-1 functionality. Not only is it a camera, but it also works as a wall outlet extender, USB charger, and surge protector. Its smart motion detection system sends real-time alerts to your phone, and it supports both local micro SD storage and cloud recording. The build quality is top-notch, with flame-retardant and heat-resistant materials ensuring durability and safety. While the price might be steep, at $79.99, the Mini Catcher delivers unparalleled value for those who want a discreet, multifunctional, and high-performance spy camera. It's perfect for tech-savvy users who need advanced features like app control, loop recording, and cloud storage. The only downside is that it doesn't come with an SD card, so you'll need to purchase one separately. Overall, this is the ultimate choice for serious buyers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.